Today we are going to embroider clothes together with EOC06. First, choose your pattern. You can also choose to design your own pattern and transfer it by USB. Use chalk to mark the location of the pattern on the clothes. According to the size of the pattern you will be embroidering. Install the embroidery hoop and position the mark in the center of the hoop. Be sure to add the baking paper before you go. If your fabric is too thin, please add 2 layers of baking paper. Stretch the fabric until it is flat. Enter Config. Choose the size of the hoop. After confirming properly threading, install the hoop. In Config, ensure the pattern in the center. Use trace to make sure the position of the embroidery. After locating the correct position, start embroidery. Join PooLin Sewing Machine Facebook user group. Get free professional help. Thank you for watching. Bye.